This is a new smart lock for cabinet 301. With the fingerprint it will open, and just adding this the finger in this one. Just scan your finger and press little bit long. When the green light comes, then remove your finger, then blue light turn on, then scan your finger approximately until the green light comes. Now your finger is added. Here same procedure, you can add minimum 10 fingers, maximum not minimum, maximum 10 fingers you can add here. Okay, now you need to check these fingers are added or no. See, this finger is added, and also this one is also added. Those fingers that cannot be added, that cannot be open this lock. See, with the other finger you cannot open the lock. To reset this one, you just scan your finger, long press that finger that you registered here until the red light comes. Don't remove your finger. Now the smart lock is reset. See, with any finger you can open. See, with any finger you can open. Okay.